Using Centro, you can link already existing Slack channels to Salesforce records. In this example, I have an account called Under Armour, and I want to link an existing account. So that way, all the information that's already been talked about in the Slack channel displays in Salesforce. I simply do this by hitting the Create or Link Channel button and choose Existing Channel. Here, I can search for my Under Armour channel in Slack and select Link Channel. I additionally have these conversation options, which will automatically post the Centro record block and remind me to archive if inactive. Additionally, I can add members to this channel through the Invite Members functionality. Once I click Link Channel, that channel will be displayed in Salesforce and allow me to message directly into the channel from Salesforce. On the Slack side, I can view and update all Salesforce information from Slack. And as a non-Salesforce user, I can create or edit records from Slack if required to do so. All of this is visible to any Slack user within the system to see Salesforce data. Please reach out with any questions if you are curious about how Centro can link existing Slack channels to Salesforce.